Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change Google Classroom to dark mode. So let's get started. Google Classroom didn't have an official built-in dark mode settings within the platform itself. However, you might be able to enable dark mode for Google Classroom indirectly by using browser extension. Some web browsers offers extensions or add-ons that enable dark mode for website. Open your web browser and go to web browser extension. Search for dark mode extension, choose one and click on Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear. Click here. Once installed, the extension should provide options to enable dark mode for website. Visit Google Classroom and the extension may automatically apply a dark theme to the website. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.